Hi guys, in this video I'm gonna show you how you can remove products in Shopify. So basically I'm gonna show you two methods. The first is how you can hide the product without deleting it, and the second is how you can delete product completely. So let's start the first method, how you can hide the product without deleting it. So in my case I wanna hide this product. So for that, if we open the store, here we need to head over to product section. So this was the product. I just need to select that and just set that as draft. Click on set as draft. Once the product is set as draft, you can just get back to store and refresh the page, and you will see that the product is get hidden, but it is still in the list. And whenever you wanna add it again, you can just select the product and make it set as active, and that way you can again restore your product. But let's say you wanna delete the product completely from your Shopify store. In that case, what you need to do, just select those products which you want to delete. You can select one product or multiple, it's up to you. Once you select the product, just click on these three dots and select the option delete products. You will see this pop up that this can be undone, so you need to keep this in your mind and just click on delete. And yeah, you can see that the products has been successfully deleted from the store. If I go and refresh the page, you will see that products are gone. And yeah, that's it. This is exactly how you can remove products from your Shopify store. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe the channel. I'll meet you in the next one. Bye bye.